Sam here from Perfect Pools. Well, another big problem. And before I go further, I'll show you some pictures. Customer phoned us. Pool is in a disaster. She is really emotional. We're in Durbanville again. Got a guy in to install a swimming pool about a month ago. Pool is not level, giving problems, as you can see in the photos that I'm trying to slide through here. And last night we came in, we started to work, and yeah, this is what we're sitting with at the moment. Unfortunately, the guys has fitted the pool. They've taken it out 2 or 3 times actually, and like you can see, absolutely disaster. To be honest with you, I don't know where the actual problem came in. Number one, it is clay area, but the customer said they took it out 3 or 4 times, couldn't get it level, couldn't get it stabilized, couldn't get the wall straight, as you could see in the previous pictures. It's just looking hectic. So we are going to take it out completely. Fortunately, she said she's over it. She don't want it to repair or anything. She just wants a new pool. So we are going to take you on the journey on how to get it fixed. So when you do get a pool installed, you don't have to do it through us or anyone. Just make sure that your installer is an NSPI registered company. Okay, until next time, I'll see you. Keep the eye on the journey. We're going to help this customer out from my side. Until next time, bye. Hi there, Simon again here. Okay, so I'm back at the house where we're doing the pool that has collapsed. Okay, so I first want to show you something before we start off, the new shell. So let me turn it around. So you can actually see here the new shell. Number one, the thickness is really sturdy, and you can't even bend this pool. There's a reinforcement on the edge here. There's a reinforcement all around the swimming pool here. This is reinforcement. This is the actual shell. So if you look at it here, also we're NSPI members. So everything around this pool has been reinforced on the outside. And then obviously you can see on the inside, the pools and the skimmer boxes has been fitted here. Let's take around here. I want to show you something. How the pool has got a reinforcement here, because down the sides as well, around the skimmer box. So it's all part of the building of the shell. So yeah, when installing a shell or buying a pool shell, make sure that it's an NSPI member. Then let me show you why that is. The guys has actually now excavated the pool quite a bit, and you can see for yourself. Absolutely no reinforcement around the edges. This here is just a piece of wood that they installed on the outside. The skimmer box has flattened. That is the wall that is just collapsed. So yeah, I'm going to try and get around here so that we can see on this side. I don't want to fall in here, but the whole pool there, you can see there's no reinforcement to keep the sides in place. Anyway, okay, I'm gonna try and get out of here. So that's what I'm saying, that get yourself a quality pool. I'm gonna take you on the journey on this installation, and then yeah, you can actually see here all the rubble, concrete. What is it? Concrete and stones and everything that the guys are excavating here. So yeah, sad but true. Okay, the next time you see me, this pool should be in the hole, and we'll start getting this thing fixed up. Until next time, bye. Hi, Simon here from Perfect Pools. I'm finished with the work. Before I take you inside, just have a look here at the actual pool that we had to cut out eventually. The gel coat here, if you can see, roughly a millimeter, maybe 2 millimeters thick, and this is the fiberglass on the inside. I don't even think all in all that it's 1 mil thick, but yeah, no reinforcements behind it. So it was quite a mission, not only just to take it out, because there was a high water table in Durbanville, so it really made the job super difficult. But anyway, we made it, we pushed through. Customer was awesome. We had a lot of obstacles, underground water, clay, etc. But all in all, that is the final product. Shell manufactured by the NSPI fellow member actually, Kurt and his team. But let me take you some close-ups, and then you can have a look at it. Okay, that's me. For now, I'm done. Remember, if you need a swimming pool, we can help you with that. If you need a relining, go and have a look at our YouTube channel, perfectpools.co.za, or YouTube/perfectpools. You'll be able to get it. And then that's it. We are finished. Everything's looking great. Customer super happy. Until next time, great. Remember, use the NSPI member. From my side, until next time, bye.
Perfect Pools offer green pool cleanup, pumps, filter and salt chlorinators. We don't just install new equipment, but we also repair most equipment in-house.